name is Tanan. The chicken, the beak, the feathers, the wings, the tail, the legs, the feet, the eggs,